Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. If you're swapping an LS into a 350Z, 370Z, or even a G35 and G37, we've got a simple exhaust solution that's going to make your life easy and save you a lot of money. Let's take a closer look. These Sikky mid-pipes are constructed from 2.5-inch stainless steel, utilizing CNC cut 3/8-inch thick stainless steel flanges. This mid-pipe kit comes complete with all the gaskets and hardware you're going to need for a simple installation. These pipes are TIG welded and back purged to ensure maximum reliability and strength, using high quality American-made 308 stainless steel to ensure zero corrosion and a long life. The gaskets and grade 8 hardware ensure there will be zero exhaust leaks with proper installation. These mid-pipes are designed to be used with the Sikky manufacturing mount kit. The design of these mid-pipes allows them to be placed in between the factory LS3 manifold and the factory catback exhaust system on the 350Z, 370Z, G35, and G37. This can be a huge cost savings. Instead of having to buy long tube headers, now all you need is these mid-pipes and you can use the factory exhaust manifolds that come with your LS3 or other LS as long as you use an LS3 manifold. To learn more about these mid-pipes and the other LS swap components we make, be sure to log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.